All county tax questions every taxpayer should ask. Like it or not, the Hall County Tax Assessor and Tax Commissioner are parts of life for owners of real property within the jurisdiction of Hall County in Georgia. These two government officials and their staff members are responsible for the assessment of property valuation, including fair market values and assessed values for properties in their jurisdiction, as well as for the collection of the taxes. Their offices are also mandated by law to answer the questions posed by taxpayers. Of course, as a taxpayer, you are well advised to ask relevant questions so as not to waste your own time and the time of these government officials. You can start with the following questions and you should get the following answers, albeit in more detail, when you have face-to-face interactions with the Hall County Tax Assessor or Tax Commissioner or their staff. Number 1. How is my tax bill calculated? Your tax bill or tax statement is the result of the combined work between the tax assessor and the tax commissioner, as well as the property owner, taxpayer. Here's how it works. The tax assessor via the Board of Assessors and the county appraisers conduct an annual assessment inspection of the property. The inspection will yield crucial information for the determination of the current fair market value and assessed value of the property, which are the basis for the estimated tax. The Hall County Tax Assessor then issues the annual assessment notice, which the concerned property owner can accept as is or reject via an appeal. Once both the tax assessor and the property owner have come to terms with the assessed value and the estimated tax, these values are then provided to the tax commissioner. The tax commissioner will then undertake the tax statement calculation by using the following basic formula. Assessed value, applicable exemptions equals net assessed value or taxable value. Net assessed value x current millage rate equals amount of property tax. Number 2. When will my property tax statement arrive in the mail? It depends, but it must be emphasized that all property tax bills for real estate and personal property are mailed by October 1st of the current year. If you did not receive your tax statement by then, you can contact the Hall County Tax Commissioner or visit its official website for more information. Keep in mind that time is of the essence, as late payments will be penalized, thus defeating the purpose of taxpayers who file appeals against their unfairly high tax assessments. The taxes for real estate and personal property are due by December 1st where Hall County is concerned. Mobile homes taxes are due by May 1st. Number 3. What are the penalties for late tax payments? When you fail to pay either your real estate or personal property tax on its due date, you will be required to pay the following penalties in addition to the tax itself. Interest at 1% per month until the tax is paid in full. Penalty of 10% applicable on the unpaid tax amount when the tax is unpaid within 90 days after its due date, except in the case of homesteaded property. The bottom line: pay your Hall County tax on time.